Hi, good morning, friends. I know I was supposed to show you guys part 2 of Lincoln Park sightseeing, but I want to show you guys a few different vlogs before that. So today I want to show you guys snow. We have the first major snowstorm in New Jersey for 2020. So I want to show you guys that. So for those of you who are about to come to United States, or this is your first winter, you have to prepare and able to clean some snow, among other things. All right, so you have to be prepared. After living here for a while, you have to prepare. What do I mean by prepare? You have to have thick socks. See, it's well insulated, all prepared. Thick scarf. Oh, I just got these insulated gloves, and I think today I'm gonna use 2 hats. I'm gonna use one of those. The other one I'm gonna use to cover my ears, so I'm gonna fit it better. All right, so let's go and see some snow. Oh, this is what it looks like from the inside of the house. Let me turn this and show you guys. I don't know if you could see it in the camera. All right, so let's go outside. All right, also make sure you have a big boots, insulated, and also a strong jacket, because it's very cold right now, maybe in the 20s. This snow has been falling since yesterday, and today's the 17th of December 2020. You guys are lucky. No one, if you notice, there's no tracks here. This is outside of the house, so see the purity. Oh, this is one of our vehicles covered with snow. This is a sidewalk. See, our neighbors ready to rumble over there. They start cleaning. Yeah. Look at the trees. Look at the other side of the sidewalk. Full. Let me show you the road. This is in front of the driveway. Wow. This thing is like maybe 1 foot deep. Let me show you the other side. Yeah. And this is the other vehicle. So this is my track. Actually, I have to video here without any gloves, so my hands are already start freezing. But I want to show you the backyard. This is the side of the house. I want to show you the backyard. Those are the heater machines. But this is a surprise I want to show you guys. The beauty, even though snow maybe can be hazardous, and the blizzard and all of that, all those dangers, look at the beauty of the trees with the snow on top of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably, but the purity, look at that, it's amazing. It goes with the white cloud. Hey, this is nature. This is what we're longing for in the city. Oh, you have a squirrel here. Look, there's a squirrel here right there. Hope you guys look here. Right there. It's gonna move now, right? Yeah. He doesn't have a blanket, socks, and boots. Look at that. Alright, look at the fence. Alright, so hope you guys stay warm during this season and enjoy those tropical countries that you guys are living in. Embrace it, because when you come here it's so cold that you have to prepare. Alright, so hope you guys see what it looks like. That's the easy part. The hard part now is to clean up, so we're gonna start doing the cleanup next. Alright, see you then. I got tired cleaning snow, but at least the two vehicles they got clean, so I have to go outside later and get this done.